All right, apparently people are enjoying the sudden flurry of videos, even though they suck. So here's another sucky video. But then it gets better at the end because we get a gift. And, you know, we always enjoy gifts. Yeah. Really, really sweet gift. Very thoughtful. And, of course, one of her favorite colors. And she promptly screws it all up. But then she fixes it, and she'll show you how. So it's our second time at the dog park, and she prefers to sit on the bench with me and just watch all the other dogs. She does like the Yorkie, wants to play with the Yorkie, but, you know, from on top of the bench. Here he comes again. He wants to play with you. Go play with him. Come on. Go get him. No? Okay. I think he's relatively harmless. No? Alright. Big puss puss. No? Really, Jazz? You don't need to be as antisocial as me. No. Can't even see you guys. He wants to play with you. Go play. Get him. Go play with him. It's over here. You're scared of everything too? Yeah. Here comes again. Go play. Come on. Go play. That lasted. You are such a chicken.
Parker! Don't you hump my dog. He's not interested in you that way. I know what you were thinking. Mama knows what it's like.
Happy Friday, everybody. It's, I don't know, a little after 6 Friday night. April, whatever the date it is, 26th, I believe. And this came yesterday. I know who it's from. She let me know so that I didn't have to guess. But this was sent to me from Mrs. Coffee. And I wanted to wait until I had time to actually record it, of course, to open it up. So I keep losing my knives, so now we're going to use an X-Acto knife. Why not? Okay. Let's check it out. Oh. Oh, I think I know what this is. Hang on. Put the knife away. Those are very sharp. Thank you for your purchase for diamond painting accessories. Oh, yep, it's what I thought it was. She just showed this within the last few of her videos. These trays. So exciting. Look at that. That is awesome. So cool. I saw this on her channel and thought that was a brilliant idea. And of course, you know, I said I'd hack my own, make it myself. But hey, this is so much better. Love it. And essentially what you're going to do is you're going to put your trays in there. You're going to put the coordinating diamonds in it and keeps yourself organized. And I think it's awesome. And I can't wait to try it out. And thank you very, very much, Leisha. So appreciate this. This is awesome. And I can't even tell you how much I appreciate it. Wonderful, wonderful surprise. Thank you so much. All right. And then I'm going to show you where I'm at and what I'm going to use this on tonight because I am so close to finishing. So 1 second here. There we go. Here's my chaotic mess. Okay. Look at how close I am. I'm on my last section. And you can see I've got like trays everywhere. And that is gonna like rock this out tonight. I'm gonna try and get this done before I go to bed so that I can put it all behind me. All right, so say so a lot. And I also, in editing my most recent videos, anyway, okay, it's irritating, but again, thanks so much, Mrs. Coffee. I love it, and I can't wait to try it out. I'm going to use it on my new little table I bought at Target. All right, talk to y'all soon. And this, again, short video. So anyway, trying to get stuff put out on a much more regular basis than I have since, you know, we were moving. But love you all. See you soon. Bye. Clearly, I am not using this correctly. This is intended to prevent you from spilling your drills. Now, I was just putting them in here to carry them to the living room. Yeah. I didn't get it into the tray in time and I spilled it all over the carpet. We're going to practice on that a little bit. Now, of course, I have square containers. I just used it to carry it. You want round. But, just an idea. If they were to, you know, say do a square hole so that you could fit round or square in there, that'd be nice. Just an idea. Okay. Let's go clean that up. Now, okay, couple tips. Haven't had to do it myself because I had wood floors in the last house. Not everybody does, obviously. But one tip for cleaning this up, now I can pretty much scrape them off. Well, a couple tips. Okay, let's do a couple things. We're gonna clean this up. Here's some tips on how to clean it up without making a bigger mess. All right, we're gonna go get a spoon. Okay. Method 1. And I'm going to put them into a tray rather than the container. No, I won't. I lied. Okay. Let's get down here. Okay. Now I'm going to just stick my spoon down, pushing on the carpet. Scoop them up. There we go. Now this doesn't work as well as, you know, if you haven't just recently vacuumed, because then you're going to pick up all kinds of other stuff too. But hey, whatever. So that works pretty good. All right, another method would be a vacuum cleaner attachment, the hose, and put like a knee-high stocking over it. That's another one. I'm not going to demonstrate that because I don't want to drag it out. See, this works pretty good. I have moral support. She understands how stressful this is. Okay. Now, I might have some other stuff in there with it. Hopefully not, because I did just vacuum recently. But, yeah. Okay, I think I got most of, no, there's some more. There we go. There we go. Yeah, that works pretty good. I suppose the ones that get down into the pile, that's where you could try the vacuum cleaner. But as long as you don't, like, rub it, it should be okay. Yeah, it works. I can't tell if I got them all. Oh, there's one. Okay. Thank you, Jasmine. I'm good. All right. I think that's good enough. There's another one. There we go. Okay. Good enough. How many times are I going to say that? There's another one. Good enough. There's another one. Good enough. There, oh, there's another one. Good enough. Does anybody else get creeped out by, like, apartment carpeting? I mean, it's okay if it's my house and I bought the carpet and had it installed, but it just really creeps me out having carpeting that somebody else lived on. It's so nasty. Like, for example, this carpet has these little spots and they just look weird to me. It looks like somebody walked around in, like, rusty aerator sandals, you know, like you walk around in your yard to poke holes in the or cleats, whatever. It just is like a really bad attempt for, like, multicolor to show less dirt. It just looks stupid. It just looks terrible. Anyway, I think that's good. If I run out, because I'm right near the end, I'll just come look through the carpet for more. I think I got it. Good enough. Okay, good enough. How many times did I say good enough? Okay. All right, continuing on.
I don't know if anybody else has ever done an actual video on how to pick up drills that you spill on the carpet, but hey, somebody had to do it. She's not exactly an innovator, but you know, every once in a while, something of value. I know. I've seen the chat boards. People, how do I? Yeah. Oh, what she didn't tell you is earlier in the day she mixed 2 colors of blue together in a giant tray. That took like an hour to pick those out. There's no fast way of doing that. Like and subscribe, hit that bell. Bye-bye now.